Assalamualaikum
Wa
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay.
Everybody can hear my voice?
Yes, we can hear you. Okay, so this is Miss Tuti that will accompany us for today activity. So friends, you may say hello to Miss Tuti. Hello, Miss Tuti.
Halo, Miss Tuti.
Hi everybody, how's everyone doing? Hi, I'm so glad to be with you today. I mean tonight, it's night time here. Di sini lagi malam hari.
Yes. Oh, in Miss Tuti's place is evening time. Jadi lagi malam hari teman-teman. And it's still 23 March. Is that right? Tanggalnya
Yeah, that's
23.
right. It is actually Saturday night. Jadi masih malam minggu. It's Saturday night here.
Okay, so in Miss Tuti's place tanggal 23 teman-teman. And how about us? What date is today, friends? Kalau kita sudah tanggal berapa ya kira-kira?
24.
24. Yes, we are in 24 and Sunday. Yes, 24 and Sunday. Okay, so are you ready, friends, to have Miss Tuti today to tell us to read a story together? Okay, everyone is ready. How about Miss Tuti? Are you ready?
Of course,
I'm
I'm ready. I'm so excited too.
Thank you. So now I'm going to share your screen. And here we go.
So, anybody knows already what book we are going to read today? Anybody can tell me? Ada yang
Namanya
tahu bukunya apa sih hari ini?
Ramadan.
That's right, it's about Ramadan. So, is everybody's fasting here? Who's fasting? Raise your hand. Yang puasa, angkat tangan. Everybody? Farah, Rasha, Fatan, and Faru. Are you fasting, Faru? Oh, yeah. Rafa and Josie, mashallah. Everybody is solid kid here, mashallah. Okay, without further ado, so I'm going to read the book today, which is about Ramadan. Hassan and Anisa love Ramadan. Hassan and Anisa are very excited. Ramadan is starting. Ramadan is a special month for Muslims. Hassan dan Anisa excited, artinya semangat. Ramadan is starting. Ramadan akan dimulai. Ramadan is a special month for Muslim. Ramadan bulan spesial untuk umat Muslim. It is Ramadan, said Daddy. People have seen in the Ramadan moon. Daddy and I will fast tomorrow, said Mommy. We will not eat or drink all day. It is Ramadan, artinya bulan ini bulan Ramadan. People have seen the Ramadan moon. Orang-orang udah melihat Ramadan moon, yang kalau di bahasa Indonesia kita bilang hilal. Daddy and I, Daddy dan Mommy, akan puasa besok. Tomorrow means besok. We will not eat or drink all day. Kita tidak akan makan atau minum seharian from Fajr, dari subuh, till when? Sunset.
maghrib
Hassan and
time.
Anissa. Okay, Hassan and Anissa are asleep. Anissa hears a noise and wakes up. Hassan dan Anissa sedang tertidur, and Anissa dan Anissa mendengar, kok ada suara berisik ya di dapur. There is a noise and she wakes up. Artinya akhirnya dia terbangun. Plates are banging and water is bubbling in the kettle. Suara piring, apa namanya? Berisik, ya kan? And water is bubbling. Dan air mendidih di teko air. Anissa gets out of bed and creeps downstairs. Anissa akhirnya turun ke bawah dan and to see the kitchen light is on karena lampu dapur menyala. You see, Anissa is very curious. What does curious mean? Curious artinya penasaran. And the next one, Mommy and Daddy are eating egg and toast. Why are you eating breakfast at night? Asked Anissa. Daddy laughs. We are having sahur. It is the meal before you fast. Mommy and Daddy, Mama dan Papa sedang makan telur dan toast. Itu kan makanan untuk sarapan ya. Why are you eating breakfast at night? Kok Mama and Papa sarapan di malam hari? Asked Anissa. Anissa bertanya. Daddy laughed. Papa tertawa. We are having sahur. Kita sedang makan sahur. Sahur itu adalah makanan sebelum puasa. Kenapa sih kita harus makan sahur? Why we have to have sahur? So that we'll be energetic. Kita akan kuat. And also active in the daytime. Jadi kita bisa energetic and also active during the daytime. The next one. And in the morning, Daddy is reading Quran. Di pagi hari, Papa membaca Al-Quran. It is good to read Quran in Ramadan, say Daddy. Jadi, it is bagus sekali untuk membaca Quran di bulan Ramadan. I will try to read it all this month. Hasan runs to the shelf to get his Quran, and he wants to read just like Daddy. Hasan bilang, oh aku juga mau baca Quran di bulan Ramadan. Dan kemudian Hasan mengambil Al-Qurannya di rak sama seperti Daddy membaca Al-Quran. So in the month of Ramadan, di bulan Ramadan, we always have to learn how to be wise and smart. Kita harus belajar menjadi orang yang wise, artinya bijaksana, and smart, cerdas, when how to spend the time, untuk menghabiskan waktu. Jadi, so in the Ramadan, you not just gotta spend your time just for sleeping. Jadi bulan Ramadan, kita nggak cuma tidur, or just playing with the cell phone, atau main handphone, so we have to be wise. Jadi, kita harus bijaksana, and also smart at spending the time. Jadi, bijaksana dan cerdas dalam mengelola waktu. The next one. Mommy is busy packing some bags. They are for charity shop. Mama sedang sibuk untuk mengepak barang-barang. They are for charity shop. Charity shop artinya toko amal. Maksudnya apa sih toko amal? Charity shop itu kalau di United States or Canada itu sebuah toko yang barang-barang yang dijual itu berasal dari donasi dari orang-orang. Jadi misalnya, for example, I donate my clothes to the charity shop. So that charity shop will sell my clothes and then they will use the money for charity. Jadi misalnya Miss Tuti donate pakaian. Nah, kemudian dari toko the charity shop, toko amal tersebut akan menjual pakaian yang Miss Tuti kasih dan uangnya digunakan untuk membantu orang yang membutuhkan.
Oh,
Can
or
we
it
go
is,
to the-
wait,
Yeah.
it is not like bazaar in Indonesia?
No, it's different. So everything in that shop is from the people. Jadi semua barang-barang
for
yang
the
di toko itu, from the toys, ada mainan, clothes, furniture, bahkan ada furniture juga, everything. They're all people who donated to that shop. And they will use the money, dan uang yang didapat dari penjualan itu, they will give it to usually they give it to donate it to the poor countries or anybody who actually need a shelter and money. Jadi uangnya nanti dikasih ke orang-orang yang membutuhkan.
Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Can we go to the toy shop instead? Asked Anissa. Kenapa sih kok nggak ke toy shop? Where is toy shop? Toy shop artinya apa sih?
Toko mainan.
That's
Toko mainan.
right. Everybody love to go to toy shop, right? Semuanya suka ke toko mainan. Asked Anissa. In Ramadan, we should be more charitable. Charity helps people who may be cold or hungry. Di bulan Ramadan, kita harus banyak beramal. Because charity, beramal, amal itu bisa membantu orang yang mungkin dingin and cold and kelaparan. Cold. Why is cold? Because in America and Canada it's always cold. Even today it is -10 right now. Jadi sekarang itu suhunya itu -10. so it is still very cold.
But Alhamdulillah, Miss Tuti, it's not freezing.
Oh yeah, we always have a heater on. Jadi di sini selalu ada heater selalu nyala. Heaternya nyala 24 jam, 7 hari.
Masya.
So here we learn that as a Muslim, in the month of Ramadan especially, we always have to be generous. What does generous mean? Generous mean we always have to like to give away things. And we have to care about others. Jadi kita harus peduli dengan orang-orang yang membutuhkan. We have to be helpful. And be helpful mean kita harus suka membantu and also being kind. So Allah will give us so much reward. Jadi Allah nanti akan memberi kita banyak pahala. Daddy drives to the charity shop. Mommy donates some of Hassan and Anissa toys, and she donates money as well. Jadi Papa yang mengantarkan Hassan, Anissa, and Mommy ke toko amal, and Mama mendonasikan beberapa mainannya Hassan dan Anissa yang udah tidak pakai. So here we learn that also when you have some toys, jadi kalau teman-teman punya mainan or you have some clothes atau pakaian, you always have to remember to give it to someone else who in need. So it's always good to be, as I said, it has to be wise, wise mean bijaksana, so that we can actually like be beneficial to others. Jadi kita bisa bermanfaat untuk orang lain. Anissa takes a coin out of her handbag. She gives it to the lady and says, "You can have my pocket money too." Anissa mengeluarkan koin atau uang sakunya Anissa from handbag. You see Anissa have a handbag here. And she give it to the lady and says, dan Anissa kasih ke the lady yang bekerja di charity shop. And Anissa bilang, kamu bisa mengambil uang sakuku juga. See how generous is Anissa. So it's always good to be generous as a Muslim. We always have to be kind and sweet. And also we always have to, we are not supposed to see how that person, for example, oh, that person is different. Jadi misalnya orangnya beda, nggak sama nih. Aku orang Indonesia, dia bukan, jadi aku nggak mau nolong. No, we always have to help everybody, no matter how their skin color is. Okay, the next one. Mommy's phone rings. She looks happy. Auntie Jamila has invited us to her house. We will have iftar there, says Mommy. Tiba-tiba handphonenya Mama berdering. She looks happy. Mami terlihat bahagia. Auntie Jamila, Tante Jamila mengundang kita ke rumah untuk buka puasa bersama. Iftar mean buka puasa. You see how excited Anissa is, right? And the next one, Ali and Tariq, or in Auntie Jamila's garden, they have been fasting all day. Is it hard? Asked Hassan. Yes, but afterwards you think? I did it, Ali replies. Hassan's want to fast too. Ali dan Tariq juga ada di rumahnya Auntie Jamila. Dan mereka udah puasa seharian. Terus Hassan penasaran, susah nggak sih? Is it hard? Susah nggak sih? Yeah, of course. Tapi setelah itu, she said that they made it. Mereka bisa puasa seharian. Dan Hassan pun ingin berpuasa juga. Okay. Anissa and her best friend Hafsa are playing. Hafsa looks at the clock. It is nearly time to break my fast. Anissa dan teman baiknya yang bernama Hafsa sedang bermain. Terus Hafsa melihat ke arah jam dinding. Oh, ini udah waktunya deket buat buka puasa nih. Are you fasting as well? Says Anissa. Anissa bertanya, kamu puasa juga? Mom said I could fast after lunch until iftar. Hafsa says, Mama bilang kalau aku boleh puasa setelah makan siang sampai dengan iftar. Karena Hafsa still learning. Hafsa masih belajar. The next one. Iftar time. Uncle Yusuf calls out, the children come running. Uncle Yusuf bilang, buka puasa, waktunya buka puasa. Nah, kemudian anak-anak semuanya berlari datang. Kenapa? Why they're so excited? Mereka sangat excited karena udah waktunya buka puasa. Everybody is given a date and a glass of water. At the right time, say Bismillah. Now they can eat and drink. The fast has finished. Dan setiap orang yang ada di rumah Tante Jamila semuanya mengambil satu buah kurma dan air, satu gelas air. Dan ketika azan sudah tiba, mereka membaca Bismillah. Kemudian mereka boleh makan dan minum karena puasa sudah selesai. So sometimes during a fasting, it is always important that to be confident. Why has to be confident? What has anything to do with the confident? Apa hubungannya sih percaya diri dengan puasa? Because when you have a confidence, you will believe in yourself that you can do it. Karena kalau teman-teman punya percaya diri, teman-teman pasti yakin kalau teman-teman bisa puasa penuh dari fajar, dari subuh sampai maghrib. And soon it is time to go home. Daddy is in a rush. He's going to the masjid to pray. Kemudian Hasan, Anissa dan keluarga mereka buru-buru pulang. Why? He's going to masjid to pray. Mereka akan sholat di masjid. What praying actually we do after the iftar in the Ramadan in the night time? Anybody can answer?
Tarawih.
Tarawih, that's right. Hurry, Tarawih will start soon. Jadi cepetan. Soalnya Tarawih akan segera dimulai. I need to get to the masjid, says Daddy. Because Papa harus segera ke masjid. As soon as it's a bedtime, Hasan and Anissa also already ready to go for bed. And, Mommy, why do Muslim fast? Says Anissa. Anissa bertanya, Mama, kenapa sih orang Muslim berpuasa? What reason do you think it could be? Says Mommy. Kira-kira apa sih? Kira-kira kamu pikir apa sih alasan kita harus berpuasa? And Anissa says, to please Allah. Untuk membuat Allah senang terhadap kita. To make Allah happy. Artinya to please Allah. Well done, Anissa. Bagus, Anissa. Fasting also makes us less greedy and more thankful for what we have, says Mommy. Karena puasa juga akan membuat kita tidak terlalu serakah dan juga lebih bersyukur tentang yang kita punya. More thankful. Thankful artinya bersyukur for what we have, yang kita punya. Is more or less, punya banyak atau dikit, we still always have to be thankful. Kita masih harus selalu bersyukur terhadap Allah. Mommy, can I fast tomorrow? Asked Hasan. Mama, aku boleh puasa nggak sih besok? I want to try as well, says Anissa. Aku mau nyoba juga. Anissa juga excited. Bilang ke Mama kalau dia mau puasa. Okay then, Mommy says. If you feel too hungry, then you can stop. Children don't need to fast. Mama bilang, okay, tapi kalau nanti kamu ternyata terlalu lapar, jadi boleh berbuka puasa. Karena anak-anak masih belum wajib untuk berpuasa. But it is always good that all of you here are fasting. So I'm so proud of you that you guys, all of you are learning how to fast. Jadi Miss Tuti bangga sekali nih dengan teman-teman di sini yang udah belajar puasa.
Thank you, Miss Tuti.
The next one. Hasan and Anissa are fasting today. Mommy asked them to help her cook dinner. They will share it with a neighbor. Jadi Hasan dan Anissa puasa hari ini. Mama meminta mereka untuk membantu untuk memasak buat makan malam. Karena mereka akan berbagi makanan dengan tetangga mereka. This smells yummy, says Hasan. Baunya sedap sekali. You see how funny Hasan's face is, right? So, and in the month of Ramadan, it is always good to share to share the food, especially share to those who are fasting. Jadi di bulan Ramadan itu bulan yang sangat baik untuk berbagi dengan the neighbor, dengan tetangga, dengan teman, with your friends and everybody who's fasting in the masjid, dan orang-orang yang sedang berpuasa di masjid. And when you help your mama, it help you to stay active. Alright? Jadi kalau selama bulan puasa tetap membantu mama, nanti kita akan tetap aktif. Jadi kita akan tetap energetic. So we will be still energetic the whole day. So we forgot that we are fasting. Jadi biar kita lupa kalau kita sedang puasa karena kita sibuk dengan segala aktivitas. Mommy, Daddy, Hasan, and Anissa take food to their neighbor. Hasan rings the doorbell and Mrs. Smith appears. Mama, Papa, Hasan dan Anissa membawa makanannya ke tetangga mereka. Dan kemudian mereka memencet pintu, apa sih? Doorbell. Doorbell artinya pintu.
Bell.
Pintu.
Bell, ya, bell rumah ya. Di rumahnya Mrs. Smith. And Mrs. Smith keluar. Mrs. Smith appears. Here we learn that, di sini kita belajar, we always have to be kind and care to our neighbors. Jadi ke tetangga kita, regardless they are Muslims or they are not Muslim, we still always have to be kind, right? Jadi di sini kita lihat, so Hasan and his families, they learn to be respectful to their neighbors, to the elder, and also being polite and kind, and also give a care to others, especially to the neighbors, regardless they are Muslims or not Muslim. Jadi kita harus tetap baik ke tetangga kita, walaupun mereka Muslim atau bukan Muslim, kita masih harus baik ke tetangga. And they said, "Happy Ramadan, Mrs. Smith. This food is for you." Nah, kemudian mereka bilang, selamat bulan Ramadan ke Mrs. Smith. And Mrs. Smith says, "Thank you very much. That's very kind of you." Terima kasih. Kalian baik sekali. "I'm hungry after all that work," say Anissa. Suddenly she eats banana. Anissa bilang, aku lapar. I'm hungry. Setelah bekerja keras tadi, suddenly she eats banana. Dan dia makan pisang. Oh. Hasan says, "Anissa, stop. You broke your fast." Dan Hasan bilang, "Anissa, berhenti. Puasa kamu batal tuh." Hasan bilang, "Mommy said I'm little, so I can eat something." Mama bilang aku masih kecil, jadi aku boleh makan sesuatu. Nah, kadang selama bulan puasa, we always have to learn to be patient. What is patient? Knows what is the meaning of patient? Patient means sabar. Jadi harus sabar. And one more thing that we always have to be also trustworthy. Why have to be trustworthy? Sometimes you can hide in the washroom and then start eating the candy. Jadi kita harus juga bisa dipercaya. Jangan kalau kita lagi puasa terus kita ngumpet di kamar mandi terus makan permen. No, we always have to be trustworthy, right? And trustworthy and patient. The next one. Hasan's tummy is rumbling, but he wants to try and fast till iftar. "Mommy, how long until I can eat?" "Not long now." Perutnya Hasan udah keroncongan nih, dan dia masih mau coba puasa penuh. Mami bilang, Hasan nanya ke Mama, "Mama sampai kapan sih aku bisa makan?" "Not long now," nggak lama lagi, Mama bilang. The next one. "Finally, it is iftar time. Mommy has made a big meal." Oh, finally. Akhirnya waktu buka puasa, Mama udah masak masakan banyak sekali. "I want fruit," says Anissa. "Aku mau makan buah." "I want chicken and rice," says Hasan. "Aku mau ayam dan nasi." Yum, yum, yum. "Does anybody want chocolate cake?" says Daddy. Kemudian tiba-tiba Papa datang. "Siapa yang mau kue coklat?" "Yes, please." Hasan and Anissa shout out, "This is the best iftar ever." Hasan Anissa semangat sekali melihat papanya membawa kue coklat. Who likes chocolate cake here? Anybody likes chocolate cake? Nobody? I love chocolate cake. And that's the last of this. That's the end of this story for today. So, Miss Vivid, do we have? I think we have like around 8 minutes left. So, are we going to talk about anything here?
Okay, so before we continue about what we are going to talk and what quiz that Miss Tuti will give us, before it, I'm going to say thank you so much, Miss Tuti, for delivering the story today. And friends, and also Miss Tuti, we are going to have a break, but then we are going to back to the link again to have a quiz with Miss Tuti. Is that okay?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it will work. Yeah.
Yay! So, friends, don't forget to click the link again, and we are going to have a quiz with Miss Tuti, and we can talk more about the story. Okay, friends,
Okay.
see you in a minute.
See you.